Hello, I'm in my hotel for one night here in Kota Kinabalu. This is the Grapevine Garden. I think that's what it's called. It is very close to the airport, maybe only 1 kilometer away. So instead of going all the way into the main part of the city and having to come all the way back out to the airport, I thought I would just stay closer to the airport tonight. So anyway, I've got I think it's a double room. So we have this big bed with towels and amenities, nice. We have a wardrobe thing, hot water kettle, yay, some tea, some water. Let's see, here's the bathroom. Hello. Oh look, it comes with slippers, that's cute. So we have the little sink. It is a shower toilet combo, as is typical. At least this one isn't going directly onto the toilet, so that's pretty good. Now this is kind of interesting. Instead of a regular door, it's like one of those kind of porch doors or something. Like it's all sliding glass. I'm not super thrilled about that, but at least it's got a good view. That's the grapevines. And this is in kind of a residential neighborhood, I guess. There's some businesses nearby over there, but I'm probably just gonna order dinner instead of trying to go out. Oh, and it has air conditioning, of course. Yep, so just here for one night, and then tomorrow I'll be in Kuala Lumpur again.